This video is meant to familiarize the rider with the location of information and components on a RZR Pro R. On the left side of the vehicle is the driver's door, which can be operated by pressing the latch button on the inside. Once inside, you will find the seat adjustment lever on the bottom of the seat to allow forward and backward movement. You can adjust the seat tilt by removing the tilt bolts and reinstalling at different tilt settings. The passenger seat can also be adjusted and tilted by removing the 4 fasteners located on the bottom of the seat and reinstalling in the various seat mount locations. On multi-passenger models, there is a battery located underneath the driver and passenger seats. Both batteries will be located under the driver's seat on 2-passenger models. Once in the driver's seat, you'll find the stereo speakers, light switch, driveline mode switch, gauge cluster, mode switch, navigation buttons, key switch, battery charge port, and a tilting or telescoping steering column lever if equipped. If equipped with steering wheel controls, the left side will contain the audio volume adjustment, audio pause and resume button, and a programmable button. If equipped with dynamics suspension, the right side of the steering wheel controls will contain the suspension adjustment between comfort, track, rock, and Baja, and the X button, which will immediately switch the suspension to maximum firmness. The vehicle will maintain this setting for 1 second or however long the button is continuously pressed. On top of the dash, there is a storage compartment with a USB connection if Ride Command is equipped. Removing this compartment will give access to the front pulse bar. The Ride Command screen is located below the lower storage compartment on the center console. In the center, you'll find the drive mode switch that allows you to switch between sport, rock, and race, accessory switch plugs, storage tray, lower storage tray, power socket, gear shift lever, and cup holders. On the right side of the dash, you will find an upper storage compartment with toolkit and a lower storage compartment in the passenger footwell. The toolkit contains spare quarter turn latches for the drive belt cover, 13mm and 15mm open-end wrench, pliers, suspension adjustment wrench, spark plug socket, tire pressure gauge, 10mm socket, hex driver handle, T40 Torx driver, T27 Torx driver, and a T25 Torx driver. Also on the right side is the passenger handle, which can be adjusted to different lengths for the passenger. There is a fuse box located under the dash near the operator's right knee area. Behind the seats is an access panel to the air filter. The lower panel can be removed to access the clutch cover. In the front of the vehicle, the grille can be removed to clean the front of the radiator. Also, located in the front of the vehicle are the front suspension adjustment points. Front shock preload can be adjusted by using the tool supplied in your toolkit. The BrakeMaster cylinder can be viewed through the left front wheel well. The fuel cap is located on the right side of the vehicle next to the passenger seat. At the top of the storage bed is the pressurized coolant reservoir access panel. Never remove this cap if the engine is hot. In the rear of the vehicle, you will find the oil dipstick and oil filter in the rear right wheel well, The coolant reservoir, which can be viewed through the left rear wheel well of the vehicle. The rear suspension adjustment points. And a storage bed. The storage bed can be removed by removing the 4 bed fasteners with the Torx driver included in your toolkit and lifting straight up. This will give you access to the oil cap, ignition coils, and other engine components. The VIN label is located on the right front vehicle chassis frame. The VIN is also stamped on the left rear vehicle chassis frame. Always read all warning labels on your vehicle before riding. A detailed list can be found in your owner's manual. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.